Well, you're saying you got the latest iPhone, so this cable is outdated. Well, let me tell you, this cable is not outdated. What is outdated are these ones that are extremely slow, only supports one type of charging. While Magic John's, on the other hand, is a 4-in-1 design that comes with a Lightning, USB, and 2 additional Type-Cs. This cable supports up to 240 watts of fast charging, and it is not only fast, but it is built to last. The connectors are reinforced with zinc alloy, and the cable with liquid silicone. You can pull it, bend it, twist it, nothing is gonna happen to it. There are 2 sizes available, the regular version and the extended version. It comes with its own travel bag from Magic John, and there are 2 colors available. So if you like this product, you can click the yellow card and purchase yours now.